Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the width of tabs in Google Chrome web browser. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type Chrome colon double slash flags. Press enter. You can also check my video description for this code used in my video. In search flags, you just need to search for tab space scrolling. Comes up with tab scrolling. Enable tab strip to scroll left and right when full. Click on this drop down and select enabled or tabs string to pin tab width or tabs string to a medium width, tab string to a large width or tabs don't string. Select it by your preferences and select relaunch for changes take effect. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.